Is your driveway looking like a mud pit that no broom can fix? You need a pressure washer. But with so many options out there, picking the right one is tough. In this video, we're breaking down the best pressure washers for driveways in 2026, covering power, attachments, price, and ease of use. Stay with us. Your clean driveway is just minutes away. Number 1. Westinghouse EPX 3500 Electric Pressure Washer. The Westinghouse EPX 3500 kicks off our list with an impressive 2,500 PSI and 1.76 GPM, giving you serious cleaning muscle for driveways, patios, and vehicles. Its anti-tipping low-profile cart design is a standout. You won't be chasing it across the yard mid-clean. The Pro-style steel wand adds a premium feel that cheaper models just can't match. It also comes with a built-in soap tank and a quick connect nozzle system, so setup is fast and straightforward. Wheels make it easy to move around without any hassle. If you want a reliable, well-built electric washer with real power, this one's a top-tier pick. Next up, the Lido Pressure Washer Surface Cleaner is not a standalone machine. It's an attachment that plugs into your existing washer and completely changes the game. Compatible with washers up to 4,000 pounds per square inch, its 20-inch cleaning path means you're covering ground fast, with no streaks or uneven lines. Dual rotating spray jets and transport wheels make it feel effortless. The quick connect fitting means you're up and running in seconds, no tools required. It's perfect for flat concrete driveways and patios where you want even, thorough coverage in half the time. A must-have upgrade if you already own a pressure washer. Number 3. York Pressure Washer. The York Pressure Washer is your go-to if you're looking for a capable cleaner without spending a fortune. It's a compact electric unit that handles driveway cleaning, home exterior surfaces, and more with ease. The lockable trigger is a thoughtful safety feature you'll actually appreciate during long cleaning sessions. It ships with a full nozzle kit for different cleaning jobs, and its portable build means you can carry it anywhere around the property. Don't expect commercial-grade specs here, but for everyday driveway maintenance, it gets the job done. A solid budget all-in-one for new pressure washer users. Coming in at number 4, the Westinghouse EPX 3050 Electric Pressure Washer is the slightly smaller sibling to our top pick, running at 2,100 pounds per square inch and 1.76 gallons per minute. Still plenty of power for residential driveway cleaning. It shares the same anti-tipping compact chassis design that makes the EPX 3500 so easy to use. The integrated soap tank and quick connect spray tips keep things quick and convenient. Its lightweight frame makes maneuvering around the driveway easy, especially for anyone who finds heavier units tiring. If the EPX 3500 feels like overkill for your needs or budget, this is the smarter, slightly more affordable alternative, a trusted compact electric from a brand that's earned its reputation. Number 5. Hourly Pressure Washer Surface Cleaner. The Hourly Pressure Washer Surface Cleaner is the attachment pick for anyone who values long-lasting build quality. With a stainless steel housing and compatibility up to 4,000 pounds per square inch, this thing is built to last through seasons of heavy cleaning. Its 15-inch cleaning width with dual high-pressure jets gives you consistent, even results every pass. Rolling wheel support keeps the head gliding smoothly over your concrete without you having to force it. Quick Connect means it installs on virtually any standard pressure washer in seconds. If durability is your top priority in a surface cleaner, this is the one to beat. Number 6. Meko Pressure Washer Surface Cleaner. If you've got a large driveway, the Meko Pressure Washer Surface Cleaner was practically designed for you. Its wide 20-inch stainless steel deck paired with dual rotating spray jets means you're cleaning serious square footage per pass. Compatible up to 4,000 pounds per square inch, it hooks up fast with a quick connect fitting and gets straight to work. The extra cleaning width compared to 15-inch models really adds up over a long driveway. Fewer passes, less time, less fatigue. The stainless deck resists rust and wear even after heavy outdoor use. For large area efficiency, this is one of the best surface cleaner attachments on the list. Number 7. Bizwing Pressure Washer Surface Cleaner. The Bizwing Pressure Washer Surface Cleaner comes in at 15 inches with a stainless steel body and a standout accessory bundle that adds real value to the package. The dual spray jet system and quick connect fitting are reliable and simple, while the extras give you more flexibility right out of the box. It handles driveways and patios without breaking a sweat. The included accessories are what set this apart from similarly priced competitors. You get more without paying more. Build quality is solid and it's compatible up to 4,000 pounds per square inch, so it'll work with most mid-range to high-end washers. Great for shoppers who love getting a complete kit in one purchase. Number 8. Steelite Electric Pressure Washer. The Steelite Electric Pressure Washer earns its spot as a strong value pick for general home cleaning, including driveways. It comes with a foam cannon right in the box, which is a bonus most units at this price don't include. Multiple nozzle options let you switch between light rinsing and heavy-duty blasting as needed. Its storage-friendly design means you won't struggle to find a spot for it in a tight garage or shed. It's not the most powerful unit on the list, but the combination of included accessories and portability makes it a smart buy for light to moderate use. A reliable portable pick for homeowners who want versatility. Number 9. Jan's Pressure Washer Surface Cleaner. The Jan's Pressure Washer Surface Cleaner has become a favorite in the pressure washing community, and for good reason. Its 16-inch stainless steel body hits the sweet spot between the compact 15-inch and the wide 20-inch options. What really makes it stand out are the included extension wands and replacement nozzles that come standard. Those extras mean less bending, better reach, and a longer useful life before you need to buy replacement parts. Quick Connect compatibility ensures it fits seamlessly into most setups. If you want the attachment that reviewers keep recommending, this is the one. Number 10. Sunjoe SPX 3000 Pressure Washer. The Sunjoe SPX 3000 is perhaps the most recognized name in residential electric pressure washers, and it absolutely deserves its bestseller status. At 2,030 pounds per square inch with a 14.5 ampere motor and 1.76 gallons per minute, it punches well above its price point. The dual detergent tanks and 5 quick connect nozzles give you real flexibility across different cleaning tasks. It's lightweight, easy to roll around, and proven reliable by hundreds of thousands of buyers. Whether you're cleaning the driveway, washing the car, or blasting the patio furniture, it handles it all confidently. If you want one pressure washer that does everything well, this is the one to buy. Number 11. Greenworks Electric Pressure Washer. The Greenworks Electric Pressure Washer is all about making cleaning less frustrating, starting with its signature tangle-free hose, a small feature that makes a huge daily difference. Running at 2,300 pounds per square inch, it's got enough grunt for driveways, siding, and patio surfaces. The included turbo nozzle boosts cleaning power by spinning the water stream for faster results. Its lightweight frame and organized accessory storage means setup and teardown are quick and stress-free. Greenworks is a trusted name in outdoor power tools, and this washer carries that reliability. Ideal for anyone who just wants to grab it, use it, and put it away without hassle. Number 12. Foating Pressure Washer. The Foating Pressure Washer is a feature-packed budget unit that surprises with how much it includes for the price. You get adjustable pressure settings, a foam bottle, and a full nozzle kit, all in a compact, portable package that's easy to store. It handles home exterior cleaning and driveway maintenance without any major complaints. The adjustable pressure is especially useful when switching from blasting concrete to gently rinsing a car or wood deck. It won't win any awards for raw power, but the variety of included tools adds serious everyday value. A feature-heavy pick for budget shoppers who want more than just a basic unit. Number 13. Ask-Aids Pressure Washer. The Ask-Aids Pressure Washer is purpose-built for beginners who want to start cleaning without a steep learning curve. It comes with a foam cannon, multiple spray nozzles, and a compact frame that's easy to carry and store. Operation is simple enough that you can be up and running your first time in under 5 minutes. The included nozzle bundle covers most standard cleaning tasks, from light rinsing to driveway scrubbing. It's not a heavy-duty machine, but it does exactly what a first-time buyer needs it to do. If you're new to pressure washing, this beginner-friendly kit is a stress-free starting point. Number 14. MZK Pressure Washer. The MZK Pressure Washer is a bit different from the other entries. It's primarily a high-pressure compatible accessory and cleaning component rather than a full standalone unit. With quick connect fitment and a replacement accessory design, it's aimed at upgrading or refreshing your existing pressure washer setup. It's compatible with most high-pressure systems available today. If your current washer is performing well but your attachments are worn out, this is a simple, affordable fix. It's not going to wow you with bells and whistles, but it gets the job done cleanly and reliably. A smart, simple accessory upgrade for existing pressure washer owners. Closing out our list, the Tool Daily Pressure Washer Surface Cleaner is a dependable attachment that delivers consistent value without overcomplicating things. Its stainless steel body, quick connect fitting, and replacement nozzle support make it easy to own and maintain long-term. Compatible up to 4,000 pounds per square inch, it works smoothly with a wide range of pressure washers. It covers driveways, sidewalks, and patios with solid, even cleaning performance. It's not flashy, but it's reliable, and that counts for a lot when you need something that just works every time. A trustworthy attachment value that rounds out this list perfectly. So there you have it, the best pressure washers for driveways in 2026. If we had to pick two standouts, the Westinghouse EPX 3500 for raw power and the Sunjo SPX 3000 for proven all-around performance are hard to beat. Check the links in the description below. Which one caught your eye? Drop a comment. We'd love to hear. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a pick. See you in the next one.